Do you move your get-togethers indoors because of the chill outside? Would you love to eat under the stars, but the patio gives you shivers in the evening? Then you need the warm, immersive comfort of Sunheat's stylish line of infrared patio heaters. Each heater uses a stainless steel reflector to throw a blanket of warmth over an area up to 18 feet in diameter. One simple press of your patio heater's instant start igniter button and it jumps to life. Each Sunheat patio heater uses a standard propane tank for up to 10 hours of continuous heat and can be adjusted up to 46,000 BTUs of power with the turn of a knob. Enjoy your porch or patio in the early spring or late fall. Get the family outdoors in the evenings. Invite friends and know that everyone is bathed in cozy warmth, regardless of the evening chill. Every Sunheat patio heater has casters, making it easy to move around and comes in many different styles and finishes, giving your patio, deck, or porch the look of a trendy resort or restaurant. Stop retreating to the indoors because of the chill in the air. Extend your seasons for gathering outdoors and start enjoying the backyard in the evenings. Choose your style of Sunheat infrared patio heater now and bathe your outdoor deck, porch, or patio in warm luxury.